What if I told you that you can build a $10,000 worth website for free without any coding skill, no design required, or any complicated tool, just by using new Google AI Studio? Yes, this tool lets you create a website which looks just like something created by a top agency. So I asked ChatGPT how much does it cost to build a website, and it shared me these stats. So basically it varies based on how many functionalities you have, how many pages and all, but you can build practically anything using Google AI Studio. So in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to build a highly converting website for free without any coding knowledge. Don't go anywhere and make sure you bookmark this video and subscribe to the channel so that you can come back and refer it again. Now, if you don't know me, I'm Avdesh Saxena. I have 20 plus years of experience building large applications for Fortune companies. And for past few years, I have been researching on AI and sharing my knowledge on this channel. So now let's get into it. So first, you look search for Google AI Studio. So just click on this and you will be able to find Google AI Studio. So if you are doing it first time, then you will have to kind of register it. You can register with your Google ID and you'll see it's something like this. So it has these multiple options. Now in order to create a website, what we will do is first create a prompt which will help us in building a website, right? So as you might have seen in this channel, we discussed multiple times, the better prompt you provide, the better output you'll get from AI. So first we'll create a prompt, and for creating prompt, either you can use this chat with model or you click on the playground. Both will take you to the same place. Then when you reach there, you can use Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is the latest one. But if there's something else which comes up later, then you can use that as well. Now what we are going to do is we'll just provide general instruction. We'll ask it to create a prompt which we can add to this AI Studio to build a website. And we are building a website for vacation rental hosts, people who own short-term rentals and Airbnb, so they can showcase their properties and get customers. And we have also provided a name of website, um, so you can have modify this prompt as you want. But this is the instruction we provide, and we will hit, and it is going to create a prompt for us. So let's give it a few minutes. Okay, so now this a Gemini 2.5 model, this has created a prompt for us, and you can use any other LLM also, large language model. You can use ChatGPT, Grok, whatever you're comfortable with, but since we were here, we just directly used their model. So here it is providing a detailed instructions that what is the persona, website name, core objective, and then what are the different components. So you can review this prompt. It's a pretty detailed one. If you want some changes, then you can make yourself and edit this prompt, or you can type any change you want. you know you want one more web page, or you want some additional functionalities. All those things you can do and create a prompt. Now next step, what we are going to do is we are going to copy this prompt, and we are going to go to the build area. So here in this build area, what you can do is, if you want, you can just describe your idea in few words or few lines, but it's better to provide a detailed prompt, and we already have a detailed prompt. So we will provide this detailed prompt and we will hit build. Now let's give it a few minutes. So now Google AI Studio has created a website for us. If you can see, it has built all these components which were required for the website, and you can see the website here. And if you want to see the code, you can see the code, and you can go there and make modifications as well. And we will check it out in full screen. Okay. So this is how this website is looking. I mean, it is as you can see, very beautifully created. and you can use it. If you want to make any change, you can make it here. So we are saying change to book now. We want to change the search properties button and give it a name book now. So let's do that. Okay, so here it has changed that search properties to book now. So same way, you can kind of do wipe coding, provide your instruction, whatever changes you want, and make modification, add additional functionalities, and make it a really a good website which works for your business. Now, when you build a website, right, there are two components, two parts to it. One is kind of building the structure and all, the website, which we have done it here. Another part is hosting it in a hosting platform. So if you have to compare this with building a house, when you build a house, you have to first buy a land and then you build a structure on top of it. So hosting is like buying a land, a place where you can put your website, and building website is like building a house. So we have built a website, but to make sure other people are able to access it, we need to host it. So there are few ways you can do it. One is deploy app. You can use this option and deploy it in Google Cloud itself. So you click here, you create a project, and then you provide a name to this project. Now it has created this project for us, and um, you can set up billing. So there will be some charge for hosting, uh, and then you can deploy this app, and then it will share you a URL. And if you want, you can change the URL also coming here, and you will have a website running. Now another way is you can download this app. So click on this download app, and then you can upload it in any of the hosting provider you may have. So I have Bluehost, which I use. A lot of my websites are there, and if I add any more website, it's kind of free of cost. It's unlimited websites you can host. I can just click this deploy app, sorry, download app, and then it has downloaded the zip file, which I can upload it in my hosting platform, and go from there. So thanks for staying all the way to the end. So some of the free resources which you can use, and I have dropped a link below. First is a complete course on AI agents, which will help you in learning AI agents and how you can automate most of your tasks. And another resource is like major tips and tricks related to ChatGPT. It'll help you in using ChatGPT and other LLMs to fullest. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any of the upcoming episode. And you can also check out our previous videos to learn about some of the AI coding and AI agent tools.